thing that I don't really like is how you crawl into bed from here.
You're gonna run all this down here? Come on.
I'm just saying, that's the only, if I had any...
This is uptown right here now. I like this.
Yeah, I like the ceiling fan.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Well, see, you can't have carpet going back there.
What's that?
You can't have carpet coming in and out of here. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah. I'm just saying, no, I don't like carpets in the... But this looks like this might turn into a bed, too. Yeah, right here. I bet, now there's speakers. I don't know.
Twin motors?
Yeah.
Wow.
Pictures will do anything for my wife.
Here you go. Man, this is ideal. Yeah, I like this. That's what I want right there. One seater.
Oh no.
Oh, here's the side of it. Angle like that. Did you get the motor too? Awesome.
Remember Jones. And that is a 1970 Ford F-250. Now like that one right there.
Hey Tim, thank you. We're out here in Joplin, Missouri, out here at Perto. They're having a great big thing going on out here with all kinds of trucks and everything happening out here. They're having hot dogs and hamburgers and everything. So hey, we're going to enjoy ourselves, do some more things. Took a lot of pictures here today, and hey, we're going to be sending some things back to you here later. And stay tuned to Tim's Weather Center, and we're going to be doing some more videos and more pictures. Tim, back to Arizona.